A suffix is a group of letters that we add to the end of a word, and it helps us change their meaning. Understanding suffixes, which is that group of letters at the end of the word, will help us to break words apart so we can understand better what they mean. So whenever we see a big word that maybe we're not sure how to read, we can pull that suffix off of the end, those ending letters that we learn, and we can break the word apart to see how we can read it and understand what it means. So when we want to figure out what a word means, we break it apart and look for the base word. Then we look for the prefix or suffix to help us. So today we're going to learn about the suffix. One example of a suffix is the suffix full. Now we'll often see this at the end of a word because it's a suffix. And full means full of. That one's probably a really simple one to remember. So here's an example. Respectful. First, we want to think, what does the base word mean? And by the base word, I mean the word without the prefix on it. So respect. So respect is like we show respect to people. We're kind, we listen to them. Okay, so that's our base word. The suffix, well, we have our suffix here. It's full, which up here we said means full of. So what does the whole word mean? Respectful, full of respect. Let's look at another example. Our next word is careful. So what does our base word mean? Care, like you show care. Our suffix, full, full of. So our whole word, full of care. You're careful when you do something. Today, boys and girls, you're going to look at some words in Canvas, and you're going to be able to use them in a sentence in order to show what they mean. For instance, I might have said, in order to show you that I know what the word respectful means, I might use it in a sentence like, the student was respectful when they raised their hand to ask a question. The word careful, I could say, I was careful when I got up so I didn't spill the drink. So I can use both of those in a sentence to show you what I mean and to show you that I know what the words mean. So in Canvas today, there are some words that you are going to tell me what they mean. You will see the words, and in the text box, you are going to write a sentence using that word to show me what it means.